Welcome to another capability demo by Brownbox. In this demo, you'll see our smart PR testing pipeline in action. Here's what you're about to witness. A developer creates a pull request. The system detects changed files and runs only relevant tests. You'll watch Playwright CLI automate browser interactions. If something fails, a bug is automatically created in Bugasura. And finally, the developer gets notified right on their PR. All of this happens in minutes, not hours. Let me walk you through the flow. It all starts when a developer creates a pull request. The system immediately detects which files changed. Then it sends a dispatch event to our test repository. The repository intelligently selects and runs only the affected tests and result checked. If something fails, a bug is automatically created in Bugasura with full error details. If everything passes, a success comment is posted to the PR. Either way, the developer gets instant feedback. Now let's watch this entire process happen in real time. Now let's see how easy it is to create tests. With just a simple prompt to Claude Code, we can open a browser instantly. Watch as the AI understands our request and executes the Playwright CLI command to launch the browser. This is token-efficient automation. One simple prompt does all the work. No manual coding, no complex setup. Just tell Claude what you want and it happens. That's the power of AI-assisted test creation with Playwright CLI. See how the browser opens and connects to our application. Next, just perform the required actions on the browser. Then, based on all these actions, we generate a test file automatically. Finally, watch how a single prompt to Claude Code generates an entire test file from the actions we just performed. See the AI analyzing all the browser interactions we made. Claude Code understands the sequence of actions and automatically structures them into a proper test file. No manual coding needed, no writing test syntax by hand. Just one prompt, and you have a complete, ready-to-use test file with proper assertions and error handling. The generated test follows best practices with clean, readable code. That's intelligent test generation. Now let's see the complete pipeline in action. A developer creates a pull request in the dev repository with their code changes. Watch as they push the code and create the PR. This triggers GitHub Actions instantly. The workflow automatically fetches the PR details and identifies all changed files. The system analyzes which files were modified and creates a dispatch event containing this information. A comment appears on the PR saying test automation is being triggered, notifying the developer that the pipeline has started. The dispatch event travels to the test repository, triggering another GitHub Actions workflow. First, the workflow installs Playwright browsers using cached versions for speed. Then it reads test-mapping.json and intelligently maps the changed files to relevant tests. Only the affected tests are selected, not the entire test suite. Now watch the tests execute. The system runs the selected tests against the application. Each test performs its automated actions, navigating pages, clicking buttons, filling forms, verifying results. You can see the tests running through their scenarios. After about 30 seconds, the tests complete and failures are detected. The system immediately captures all the error details, stack traces, and context information. A defect is automatically created in Bugasura with complete error context. A comment appears back on the dev repo PR, notifying the developer that a defect has been created in Bugasura with a direct link to view it. Let's examine the defect that was just created. Here's the defect created in Bugasura with a unique defect ID. Notice all the detailed error context, the failed test name, error messages, PR information, and commit details. Everything captured automatically. The developer has everything they need to understand and fix the issue. This is intelligent automation. To conclude, Playwright CLI automates browser interactions efficiently. Every PR is automatically tested without manual work. Only affected tests run, saving time. Developers get instant feedback in minutes, not hours. GitHub Actions, test execution, and defect management are seamlessly integrated. Failed tests automatically create defects with full context. We hope you like our demo. Thanks for watching. If you want more details, please reach out to the details on the screen. Thanks again.